Good morning, students. In the last year, we learned about angle bisector and a perpendicular bisector. The point of concurrence of angle bisector is called incenter, and the point of concurrence of perpendicular bisector is called circumcenter. The point of concurrence means three or more than three lines are intersecting in a single point, then that point is called point of concurrence. Now today we are learning about the new topic, altitudes and medians. So altitude means, in short, the height of a triangle. So if a line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, or the perpendicular line from the vertex to the opposite side, it is called altitude. Now see here, means here in short, altitude means it is the height of triangle. Height of triangle. And how to draw this altitude of a triangle using set square? Now first we will draw a triangle. Any triangle. Now here in this figure all angles are less than 90 degree. That's why it is acute angle triangle. In this figure, in this triangle, all these angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, all these angles measures less than 90 degree, and that's why this is acute angle triangle. So how to draw the altitude of this triangle using set square? It's very simple method. Now I am using this another set square. See here, we have to keep that set square, this line coincide on any one of the side of a triangle, and just we have to move this set square towards the vertex. Now here we got this, it comes till point A, that is the vertex, and we have to draw the opposite line, opposite point, and here this is perpendicular. So this is called AM, is called the height of this triangle. Like this we can draw three altitudes. One from this vertex, because any triangle is having three vertices. So 1, 2 and 3. From these three vertices we can draw three altitudes in this triangle. Now to draw from point B, we have to keep this set square again in this way. It should be coincide, and just we have to move this set square towards point B, and from that we have to draw the perpendicular line. This line is perpendicular and intersecting to the opposite side. Similarly, now only one point is left. We have to draw from this point C, and we have to keep this set square in this way. Now see, this side is coincide at one side of a triangle, and we have to move this towards point C, and from this point C then we have to draw the perpendicular to the opposite side. Now see, all these three perpendiculars, it's not perpendicular bisector, all these three perpendiculars are intersecting at a single point, that is point O. This point O, and this point is called point of concurrence, and point of concurrence of altitudes, because three altitudes are here, it is called orthocenter. This point O is called orthocenter. So altitude means what here? The line which is perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side, it is called the altitudes. Like this, in any triangle there are three altitudes, and the point of concurrence of altitude is called orthocenter. From this we can understand, in acute angle triangle the orthocenter is inside the triangle. Similarly, now you have to draw, we can draw the orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle or right angle triangle. And this is the activity. You have to do this practically at home. Maybe in the Google form these questions are there. So you have to draw these triangles and show the orthocenter, and from that you have to also find where it is inside the triangle or that it is outside, means in the exterior of the triangle. I hope you have understood all this topic, means how to draw the altitudes of a triangle.